In a world that seems to spin faster each day, where convenience often trumps nutrition, the importance of a robust immune system cannot be overstated. Our bodies are constantly under siege from pathogens, viruses, and a myriad of diseases, and one of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal is the food we eat. Nutrient-rich meals can serve as a formidable line of defense, bolstering our health and enhancing our immunity. With this in mind, let's embark on a culinary journey through 10 delicious recipes designed not only to tantalize your taste buds, but also to fortify your body against illness. We begin our day with a supercharged smoothie bowl. Imagine waking up to a vibrant bowl filled with the goodness of bananas, mangoes, fresh spinach, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. This bowl is not just a feast for the eyes. It is packed with vitamin C, potassium, and a wealth of antioxidants. Bananas provide a creamy base, while mangoes add a tropical sweetness that dances on the palate. Spinach, with its rich iron content, brings a green vitality that invigorates. Topping it off with chia seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, offers a satisfying crunch and an extra nutritional punch. This bowl is perfect for jump-starting your day, setting a positive tone for the meals to come. As the day progresses, a warm and comforting dish beckons, immune-boosting turmeric chicken soup. This recipe is a hug in a bowl, especially on chilly days or when you're feeling under the weather. The star ingredient, turmeric, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Paired with tender chicken, carrots, celery, and aromatic herbs, this soup not only warms the soul, but also delivers a powerful dose of antioxidants. Each spoonful offers a soothing experience, enveloping you in warmth while fortifying your immune system, making it a perfect remedy for the common cold or a simple pick-me-up. Next on our culinary adventure is a garlic and ginger-infused stir-fry with veggies and tofu. This dish is a celebration of flavor and nutrition, showcasing the remarkable immune-boosting properties of garlic and ginger. Garlic, with its allicin content, is known to enhance the body's ability to fight infections, while ginger aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory effects. Tossed together with a colorful array of bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas, along with protein-rich tofu, this stir-fry is quick to prepare and bursting with flavor. The vibrant colors of the vegetables not only make the dish visually appealing, but also ensure a variety of nutrients that work synergistically to boost your health. As we transition into a lighter yet equally satisfying meal, consider indulging in salmon with avocado salad and citrus dressing. This dish is a perfect marriage of flavors and textures, combining the rich, buttery taste of salmon with the creamy goodness of avocado. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining heart health and supporting immune function. The addition of a citrus dressing made from freshly squeezed lemon and orange juice enhances the dish with a zesty brightness while providing a hefty dose of vitamin C. The salad, adorned with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber, is not just a side but a vibrant component of the meal, offering a refreshing crunch that complements the richness of the salmon. For a hearty and nutritious option, the sweet potato and kale salad with tahini dressing is a must-try. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy mucous membranes and skin, our first line of defense against pathogens. Kale, often referred to as a superfood, is loaded with vitamins K, C, and A, making it a formidable ally in the quest for health. Tossed together with a creamy tahini dressing, this salad is not only filling, but also incredibly satisfying. The nutty flavor of tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, adds depth to the dish, while a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds provides an extra crunch and a boost of zinc, another essential mineral for immune support. As we continue to explore nutrient-dense meals, a nutrient-packed green smoothie comes into play. This revitalizing drink is an excellent way to incorporate a variety of greens into your diet. By blending spinach and kale with a banana and a splash of almond milk, you create a refreshing beverage that is both delicious and nourishing. The greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, while the banana adds natural sweetness and creaminess, A tablespoon of nut butter or a scoop of protein powder can be added for extra sustenance, making this smoothie a perfect mid-morning snack or a post-workout recovery drink. The vibrant green color is a testament to the health benefits packed within, making it an appealing choice for those looking to boost their nutrient intake. Don't overlook the comforting miso soup with seaweed and tofu, a dish steeped in tradition and health benefits. Miso, a fermented soybean paste, is rich in probiotics that support gut health, a critical component of a strong immune system. The addition of seaweed, often overlooked, is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including iodine and iron. Tofu adds a protein punch, making this soup a well-rounded meal. Simple to prepare, it can be enjoyed as a light lunch or a starter before dinner. The umami flavor of the miso, combined with the delicate texture of the tofu and the slight chewiness of the seaweed, creates a soothing experience that warms you from the inside out. For a heartier option, the spicy chickpea and quinoa salad is a delightful choice. Chickpeas are not only a great source of protein, but also packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Quinoa, often dubbed a supergrain, is gluten-free and contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Combined with diced cucumbers, tomatoes, and a zesty lemon dressing, this salad is both filling and refreshing. The addition of spices such as cumin and paprika lends a warm, spicy kick that elevates the dish. It's an excellent option for lunch or dinner, and its vibrant colors and textures make it a feast for the senses. As we approach the end of our culinary journey, the roasted garlic and mushroom risotto stands out as a comforting classic. Risotto, with its creamy texture, is a dish that demands attention and care. The star ingredients, garlic and mushrooms, bring a wealth of health benefits. Garlic, known for its immune-supporting properties, pairs beautifully with mushrooms, which are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. As the risotto cooks slowly, the flavors meld together, creating a dish that is both luxurious and nourishing. Finished with a sprinkle of parmesan and fresh herbs, this risotto becomes a comforting embrace on a plate, perfect for a cozy dinner. Finally, we conclude our exploration with an avocado and black bean wrap. This quick and easy meal is perfect for those busy days when time is of the essence. The creamy avocado provides healthy fats, while black beans are a great source of protein and fiber. Wrapped in a whole wheat tortilla, along with fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and a drizzle of lime juice, this dish is not only satisfying, but also incredibly nutritious. It's a meal that can be prepared in minutes, making it an ideal choice for lunch or a light dinner. The combination of flavors and textures creates a delicious and wholesome wrap that fuels your body and supports your immune system. In conclusion, the journey through these 10 nutrient-packed recipes reveals the profound impact that food can have on our health and well-being. By incorporating these delicious meals into our daily routines, we not only indulge in flavors that delight our senses, but also empower our bodies to stay strong and resilient. Each recipe is a testament to the power of nutrition, showcasing how simple ingredients can create meals that nourish, heal, and protect. So, as you embrace these delectable dishes, remember that you are taking charge of your health, one bite at a time. In a fast-paced world, let these meals be your allies in the pursuit of wellness, ensuring that you and your loved ones thrive in every season of life.